Hello students, welcome back. And in this video I'm going to introduce to you about the concept of list, how you can take care of list with the help of bullets and numbering. Also we'll discuss about the intent part. So let's start. Here I've got the list, and if I want to assign a bullets to it, it's quite easy. You need to do the selection of the list. You need to go over here. This is a by default bullets option which has been given. However, you can click over here in the arrow part in order to have few further options, and you can see those options. And if you want to have a new bullet option, you can click over here, define new bullet, click on symbol, and you can select the symbol from here as well. However, I'm not doing this. I'm going over here and I have done a basic selection. However, if you want to assign a number in terms of Roman letter or an analog number like 1 2 3 4 or ABCD in capital or in small, you may go for this particular option here. I made a selection already, and here you may go for this one particular 1 2 3 4 option, or with bracket or a Roman letter, whatever option which suits you. Here if you want to create a sub bullets or sub numbering options, like in this autofill in Excel, I want to give few further options under autofill in Excel. So enter and then press tab. I have pressed tab, so it has created a sub bullets, and whatever you want to type, you can type. For another sub bullets under this particular option, again press enter, press tab, you can create another option and type whatever you want to type. However, if you want to have another option under this, then enter and type as per your requirement. You can change the bullets which has been generated automatically. Just do the selection, click over here, do the bullet selection which you want or a number selection which you want. So this is how you can take care of bullets and numbering. Now let's talk about the intent part of it. Here I have clicked over okay, let me remove this particular options. Okay, here you can see I have made a selection, and this particular document or this list has been divided into 3 intent. Here I am setting my cursor, and this is the first line intent. This is an indication of this particular 1 2 3, whichever is there. This is a hanging intent, and this is a left intent. Let's say I want to create more space between this one and the content. So just I have done a left click on this first line intent and drag it as per your requirement. You can see the gap has increased. If I want to decrease it, you can do that as well. Okay, this is a left intent. If you want to remove both of it together like this, and this is the content intent, which is known as hanging intent, you can move this particular option. Okay, I have clicked over here and you can see that. So both of it is not moving, but if I am clicking on this left intent, then both these options are moving. So this is it for the video, and in the next part we are going to take care of sorting options. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.